Hi everyone, it's Wayne. I want to show you a couple of things. I'm in the car waiting on my son to get done with his workout, and I want to show you some things while I'm sitting out here. Make good use of my time, right? I've got this fabric glue. I've used this stuff on, like, I've got some shorts, workout shorts, and I seem to get tears in the pockets a lot, at the edge of the pocket, and sometimes down in the pocket. So anyway, I've used this on it, and it's done an amazing job. And you know, I just for a example of how it works, I just showed you on this old rag I had in the car. And it's been about 15 minutes since I put this glue on here, and it's already tacked up and kind of solid. I mean, I'm sure I could pull it apart at this point, but I think you're supposed to wait several hours before you try to do anything with it, and I think it's supposed to be maybe 12 hours before you launder it. But anyway, it's good stuff. I even used it on an old office chair with the vinyl not true leather, but vinyl covering on it, where it ripped. I pulled the pieces together and put this fabric glue on it and held it until it tacked up, and we're using it. You know, it's an extra chair that we can do stuff with here and there, and it does a great job, and we don't have to buy a new one. I like that. So anyway, the fabric glue is good stuff. You can get it here. Thanks. Bye now.